So I received this comment on my post about my new YouTube video on why the baby steps were not ADHD friendly. And my honesty is in overdrive. Okay. And since it's ADHD Awareness Month, I wanted to dive into this. I am frustrated with the fact that people don't really understand how ADHD really affects our lives. And there is such an underwhelming amount of people that just don't get it. And there's still people out there that don't even think it's real. And so it's so frustrating when I get comments like this about how baby steps or saving $1,000 is self-explanatory. No, it's not. Not for people with ADHD. People with ADHD struggle with distractions, impulsive spending. They deal with emotions, high level of emotions, which can impact our spending even more. I'm going on a rant because I'm so tired of it. I'm tired of people thinking that because it's easy for them, that it's easy for us. And to say that something like that is self-explanatory and that you should just be able to do it is ridiculous. If it was just so easy to do, everybody would do it, right? The baby steps would work for everybody. It doesn't. Because if you have ADHD, it's not ADHD friendly for you. You have a unique brain and need to handle your finances uniquely. That's why I am so passionate. This is my mission, to help women with ADHD learn how to manage their finances that is not in a way that is cookie cutter for everybody else, in a way that takes your strengths and your values and puts it into a very unique system to do it so that you can be successful. So this kind of comment infuriates me to think that, oh, just everybody should be able to save money. Oh, I can't even tell you how frustrating it is to get comments like this. But I'm rising above and I'm going to educate because it is ADHD Awareness Month. If you have ADHD or know somebody with ADHD, you know that your brain operates on a different frequency. You know that we often face hurdles like impulsive spending, difficulties in budget, and just a sense of overwhelm. This overwhelm that can actually paralyze us from taking any action. And in fact, one of the biggest problems I see with us dealing with our finances is that when we don't do it right or when we screw up, we feel so guilty about it. Like we should just know how to do this. And because we don't, we feel guilty about it and we get paralyzed and we don't make a change. That's why I created my Spend Better Bootcamp, because this is what people need with ADHD to learn how to manage their spending, to figure out their spending and get excited about making a change in there and not being paralyzed in that vicious circle that is impulsive spending guilt.